Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to search for a software update on your iPhone. This is easy to do. Now sometimes when you swipe on down from the top, you should be able to see any kind of update options if it prompts it. And you can update it that way. Otherwise, you can go to Settings, scroll on down to General, then go to Software Update right here. And it should search for an update. It looks like I'm on 17.5.1. I just upgraded last night. There was a little notification when I swiped down and I was looking at Facebook messages. And just make sure automatic updates is turned on. And I have iOS updates, security responses, and system files turned on, and iOS updates down here as well. And you can just come to this section at any point in time and just check to see if there's a new update. Otherwise, you should get one under your notifications. And then you're going to have to download the new update and restart your phone, and it might take maybe 15 to 20 minutes to go ahead and do that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.